The final component of the Community Health Maps workflow is desktop mapping using GIS software. In this section, we will be using a free, open source application called QGIS. Other mapping software is available, and you will need to select the tool that best suits your specific mapping needs. This lesson assumes you have already installed QGIS on your computer. If you have not, or if you have any questions about how to install QGIS, refer to the Software and Account Requirements page within the Introduction section of this course. Originally known as Quantum GIS, and starting as a GIS data viewer, QGIS is an open-source desktop mapping application that supports most operating systems and can be installed for free on any number of computers. While we are demonstrating the desktop mapping with QGIS throughout this section, NLM does not endorse any specific product, service, or developer. There are generally 3 versions of QGIS available at any time, and Windows users can even install more than one version at a time if needed. For this training, we will be using the current long-term release, which is version 2.18 as of the time of this course. If you need more information about versions, refer to the Software and Account Requirements page. QGIS is able to read data produced by other software applications, and other applications are able to read data produced by QGIS. Additionally, QGIS supports a vast number of data file formats, including the common Esri formats, shapefiles, and file geodatabases. This means that other applications, such as Esri ArcMap, can read the same data you work with in QGIS, and vice versa. There are 2 main applications within QGIS. The browser is analogous to Esri ArcCatalog if you're familiar with that product, but with more limited functionality. It can be used for browsing data. QGIS Desktop is the main GIS application used to create maps. It has a similar layout to Esri ArcMap and other GIS programs. We will be focused on desktop throughout this section. Again, NLM does not endorse any specific product, service, or developer, and the steps covered in this section can be adapted for most any GIS software application. In the next lesson, we will create a new mapping project.